Hi friends, this video shows how to make navigation faster and simpler. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner. Go to accounts and profiles, select account, go down, set apps only mode. Let me enable this apps only mode, set turn on, done. After that, let me go to home screen. See, now here in this home screen we can see only the icons of apps installed in this device. It's not showing any recommendations of movies and shows. So this way we can set up a simple and clean home screen, and we can make navigation faster and simpler. Okay, you can try this, and later if you want to go back to previous home screen, you can again go to all settings, go to accounts and profiles, go to account, then just turn off this apps only mode. Then let me go to home screen. We get the previous home screen. See, so please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.